What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And this is my final video in my series while I'm down here at Ocean City, Maryland at Cruisin Ocean City 2024. Each video I put out this week gave you a chance to win some Bangin Gears Garage swag. The first video gave you a chance to win a hat, just like the one I'm wearing. Second video gave you a chance to win a fleece. Third video was another hat, and in this video is going to be another Bangin Gears Garage fleece. To be eligible, you need to like, comment, and subscribe to Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube, and that puts you in a running to win the swag. Once you're subscribed to Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube, like and comment on the other videos, and that puts you in a chance to win that swag in each video. It increases your chances to win. All right? The weather today started off a little rainy, but it cleared up. I shot this entire video at the convention center like I promised, and it turned out to be a great day. So drive home safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on Facebook as well. You should have got a postcard in your goodie bag. I'll put the link at the bottom of the screen as well. If you have any pictures or videos you took, make sure you check it out and post them up on my group as well. Anything goes as long as it's automotive. Drive home safe, and we'll see you right back here in Ocean City, Maryland in October for the Endless Summer Cruising.